In the annals of aviation history, there are few tales as perplexing and deeply unsettling as the disappearance of Malaysia Airlines flight MH370. A decade has passed since that fateful day, yet the mystery remains as impenetrable as ever, shrouded in a cloud of uncertainty and ceaseless speculation. On March 8, 2014, Malaysia Airlines flight MH370, a Boeing 777, took off from Kuala Lumpur International Airport, bound for Beijing with 239 souls on board. What should have been an uneventful journey turned into one of aviation's most confounding mysteries. The flight was routine until the aircraft reached the South China Sea. The pilot's last radio call to air traffic control was eerily ordinary. "Good night, Malaysian 370. Shortly after, the transponder, a device that communicates the aircraft's position, abruptly shut down. The plane vanished from radar screens, disappearing into the night without a trace. Despite the most extensive search effort in aviation history, no conclusive evidence has been found to explain the disappearance. Theories abound, from deliberate diversion, mechanical failure, to an all-out hijacking. Yet none can fully explain why a modern aircraft with experienced pilots could simply vanish. Families of the passengers, left in a state of agonizing uncertainty, have been advocating for a new search. Their pleas have not fallen on deaf ears. In late 2023, over 40 Chinese relatives of the passengers signed an open letter to Malaysia's Prime Minister, urging for a renewed search for the truth. The Malaysian government, once reluctant, is now considering reopening the investigation. The possibility of a new underwater search for the plane is on the table, thanks to a proposal from Ocean Infinity, a marine robotics company that offers a no-find, no-fee search. To summarize, the disappearance of MH370 remains one of aviation's most enduring mysteries. A decade on, the quest for answers continues, fueled by the unwavering determination of the passengers' families and the potential for new technologies to shed light on the fate of the ill-fated flight. The truth is out there, and the world waits with bated breath for the day when the mystery of MH370 is finally solved.